Oh, natimpla mo na pa yung kape ko. Oh, nasa na yung ano ko? Nasa na yung bag? Ang mga papeles. Boss na boss ang dating.
Beautiful girls all over the world. I could be chasing, but my time would be wasted. They got nothing on you, baby.
Hi mga loves! Welcome back to my channel! So sa mga loves, mga bago pa dito sa aking channel, welcome sa inyo. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you are in the world. Welcome, 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 welcome! Okay? So mga loves, sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe below and also hit that bell button. And if you like this video, kaya hindi pa nakapag-mensahe, i-like nyo na lang din. Review tayo ngayon ng mga Loaded Bold Lipstick ng Maybelline. Yung Loaded Bold, kasi na lipstick, more on very vibrant, shocking na mga color ng lipstick. So, I was thinking na, sige, itry natin para makita ng mga tao if bagay ba sa atin yung mga Pinoy, bagay ba sa mga mga Morena, na kagaya ko, ganun. Hindi lang naman mga shades, kasi hindi naman ako sponsored ng Maybelline. I got 7 shades ng Loaded Bold, and gagawa natin sila ng swatches, at itatry ko siya sa aking lips if okay ba siya? Okay ba siya tingnan? Hindi ba siya masagwa? Okay ba siya maging Lady Gaga feel? Ang mga kagaya ko Morena? So, yun lang. Okay, so mga loves, let's start with white. Tingnan natin if this is amazing sa mga kagaya kong Morena. Ooh. So, para tayong ano nito? I don't know if you rock this one, go ahead. Pwede naman na, diba, kung may mga play kayo, kayong engkantada, kayong engkanto, or namamatay kayo. Pwede to. Well, let's go to the next. Wickedly White ang pangalan niya. Let's go to the next. Let's go to the next, which is Chocoholic.
Spend the rest of my days the way you are, the way you are. You're not to stay.
Parang ano ito? Hindi, parang mo siya red. Hindi mo siya parang chocolate. Parang red lang naman siya. Okay na rin. So, let's move on. Okay, next we have Fierce Fuchsia.
That's what I like. That's what I like. That's what I like. Hey, hey, hey.
So, para siyang Barbie pink for me, ha. And napansin ko lang, ha, mga loves, hindi pala siya matte. Or may option ba na matte nito, but hindi nakasabi dito na matte siya. Color sensational, loaded bolds, ganyan lang. But hindi sinabi na matte. Kaya pala glossy-glossy siya. Kasi I really love matte lipsticks. I thought matte siya. But anyway, this is for the sake of the review. So ngayon nalaman natin na glossy siya. Hindi pala siya matte. And when you apply it in your lips, hindi siya as creamy as the powder matte lipstick. Okay? So let's go to the other one. Next is Smoking Red. Super shocking red. Let's go to the next. Okay, so next is Audacious Blue.
That's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you. That's what I like. That's what I like.
Okay, so this is the blue one. Unfortunately for the blue one, kailangan mo pa siyang parang anuhin mo. So many times mo pa siyang ganunin, i-apply para maging darker siya. So, para lang ako nakakain ng pintura na candy. Ayun. Saan siya? Okay, so next we have Fearless Purple.
Call the police and the fireman, I'm too hot. Like a dragon roll to retire, man, I'm too hot.
Okay. I love it kasi parang ikaw ang boss. Oh, natimpla mo na pa yung kape ko. Oh, nasa na yung ano ko? Nasa na yung bag? Ang mga papeles. Boss na boss on the tape. And lastly, we have Pitch Black.
That's what I like. That's what I like. Lucky for you, that's what I like. That's what I like. Don't believe me, just
Okay. So, eto namang black. Okay naman siya. Kaya lang, in reality, when I look at myself in the mirror, I look like a bruha. But with all the lights like this, maganda siya for me. But when you look at, oh my gosh, may ulimbang. May ulimbang lips mo. So, yun guys. Ito na yung mga lipstick natin. Ito na yung Loaded Bold Lipstick. So, sa mga gustong mag-try at maging bold and vibrant and adventurous and risk-taker ng mga outfit nyo, mag-makeup ng mga ganito with all the passion of colors, then go ahead. I recommend the bold lipstick. However, yun na nga, hindi siya matte. Glossy siya, hindi siya matte lipstick. And pag in-apply mo siya, it's not that creamy compared to powder mattes, which I really love, yung mga powder mattes. And the colors here are, may mga ibang colors naman talaga na okay lang din. It's not that shocking, not that vibrant. But then again, if you want this one, like kung may mga play, like mga vampira nga play, or aswang-aswang, or mahalot na mga characters, or teacher, or mga boss, like ganun. So, this lipstick is a good accessory para sa mga play na yun. Or if you really would like to just become an emo once in a while, you wanna be different, dahil iba yung sense of fashion mo, then go ahead. You can have this one. Tsaka hindi pala siya transfer proof. It's here. So it's not transfer proof, but it stays longer in your lips. And sa pag in-erase mo siya, kailangan erase talaga. That's why earlier when I changed lipstick, I used the micellar water, yung makeup remover, kasi matagal siyang ma-erase. Saka meron siyang parang nag-stain siya dito sa lips mo, ganyan. And if you apply the vibrant colors or yung mga shocking colors, you may have to use lipstick brush kung gusto nyo talaga perfect na perfect yung pagka-apply niyo ng mga lines, ganyan, pwede siya malampas sa mga line ng lips niyo, ganun. If you like this video, please hit like. If you would like to comment anything, just go ahead and comment. I'll see to it that I always reply to your comments and have communication or interaction with you guys. I'm really happy pag nababasa ko na yung mga comments nyo. At saka excited ako mag-reply ng mga comments nyo. And also sa mga hindi pa po nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe below and hit that bell button para naman ma-notify kayo sa aking mga next videos na uploadin. Ganun na lang. So, yun mga love. So, I guess it's time for me to go na because it's already 5 a.m. in the morning and I need to sleep. Of course, I'm not a robot. I'm still human. Anyway, well, maraming salamat mga loves. I love you so much. See you again next time. Bye!
The day I met you, I forget just why I left you. I was insane.